Hey Disney dreamers, and welcome back to Exploring Disney, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of Disney. Today we're counting down the 5 fastest rides at Magic Kingdom. I just want to say a huge thank you to those of you that have subscribed. We are super close to hitting those 200 subs, which is crazy, but so amazing also. So thank you so much. Now, Magic Kingdom may not have the reputation for being the thrill capital of Walt Disney World. That honor usually goes to Hollywood studios, but don't underestimate it. This park is full of rides that might surprise you with just how fast they actually go. So buckle up, keep your hands, arms, feet and legs inside at all times because we're about to race through the fastest rides in Magic Kingdom. Number 5, Space Mountain. Sliding into the number 5 spot is the legendary and iconic Space Mountain, which hits a top speed of about 28 miles an hour. Now here's an interesting fact. The Space Mountain in Disneyland actually goes slightly faster, racing in with a speed of approximately 32 miles an hour. But here's the secret. Space Mountain feels so much faster than 27 miles an hour. Why? Because you're in complete darkness. You can't see the track, so you can't brace yourself for the turns and the sudden drops, and they take you totally by surprise. Add the sound of rushing air and those sudden sharp turns and you'll swear you're going way faster than you actually are. It's one of those rides where speed meets pure imagination, and that's why it's still one of the most popular attractions in the park after nearly 50 years. At number 4, we're diving into the mine with the Dwarfs Mine Train, which tops out at around 34 miles an hour. This ride is one of Magic Kingdom's newer coasters, opening in 2014, and it combines thrills with incredible storytelling. The coaster cars even swing side to side as you race along the track, which gives it a unique feel compared to other rides. But of course, Disney being Disney, it's not just about speed. Inside, you get to see the 7 Dwarfs hard at work, complete with some of the most advanced animatronics in the park. It's the perfect blend of family-friendly fun and just enough thrill to make you laugh and maybe scream a little. This ride is still super popular and always has a long wait time, so make sure to plan your time carefully so you can ride all these amazing coasters. At number 3, we're off to the wildest ride in the wilderness, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. This runaway mine train hits a top speed of about 35 miles an hour. Now, what makes Thunder Mountain so great is that it combines speed with setting. You're racing through canyons, past waterfalls, and diving into caves filled with dynamite. The quick turns, sudden drops, and rickety track noises make it feel like you're truly out of control on a runaway train. It's fast, it's fun, and it's a Magic Kingdom classic. No wonder it's often called the best family coaster in the park. Now, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is currently closed as it's getting its biggest glow up yet, with a full mountain top of cavern deep refurbishment set to debut in 2026. One of the most exciting updates is the addition of the Rainbow Caverns, a glowing underground world filled with shimmering pools and sparkling stalactites. Inspired by the original Disneyland Mine Train attraction, the scene starts out looking peaceful, but Disney teases a menacing rumble that suggests riders may not be welcome for long. While the classic twists, turns, and runaway mine train thrills will remain, the updated Big Thunder promises refreshed effects, expanded storytelling, and deeper immersion. Disney hasn't given an exact reopening date yet, but we do know this fan favorite Frontierland coaster will make its grand return sometime in 2026. At number 2, we have Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Now, this reimagined classic opened in 2024, and it takes the old Splash Mountain layout and transforms into a musical journey through Princess Tiana's world. The flume ride hits a top speed of about 40 miles an hour on its big drop, making it faster than 7 Dwarfs and Space Mountain. Theming here is everything. Music, animatronics, and Mardi Gras finale that makes it one of the most joyous rides in the park and also one of the longest, with this ride coming in at 11 minutes. But don't let the catchy songs fool you. The drop is still a thrill. And finally, taking the crown as the fastest ride in Magic Kingdom. Can you guess? It is TRON Lightcycle Run, which hits an incredible 59 miles an hour. This coaster is not only the newest addition to Tomorrowland, opening in 2023, but also one of the fastest rides in all of Walt Disney World. The launch alone is enough to take your breath away. You go from 0 to top speed in just seconds, all while leaning forward on your own light cycle. The design of the ride makes it even more thrilling because you're in this racing position that puts you closer to the track, making every twist and turn feel more intense. Combine that with the stunning visuals and futuristic soundtrack, and you've got a ride that truly feels like stepping into the world of TRON. We absolutely love this ride, and the thing that stands out is absolutely the fact that you're riding your own light cycle. It has the perfect balance of thrill and speed. And there you have it, the 5 fastest rides at Magic Kingdom, from flying through space on Space Mountain all the way up to the lightning fast TRON Lightcycle Run. Magic Kingdom proves it's not just about fairy tales and castles, it's also got plenty of thrills to keep your heart racing. So which one of these rides is your favourite? Do you prefer the nostalgic classics, or are you all about the cutting edge thrills of TRON? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from fellow Disney fans. And if you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It honestly means so much to us. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.